Welcome to Pest Borders. You got scorpions? You don't want them anymore? Tried everything. Still got the pesticide spraying. Maybe had your home sealed. Here where you've got a block home in Phoenix, Arizona. Scorpions don't fly, they don't jump, and they don't dig. The only way a scorpion gets into your house is by climbing onto it, finding a way in. Scorpions can't climb smooth surfaces. It's anatomically impossible for them. Put a scorpion in a glass jar, he's never going to get out. Your bathtub, he's never going to get out. You see here on the bottom of this house, that's our pest border Echo. It's a 2-inch strip, aluminum zinc, available in many different colors. Scorpions can't climb it. It's impossible. 10 years we've been putting this on homes in Nevada and Arizona. Every one of our homes is absolutely scorpion free. Even homes that have had the worst scorpion problems. The pest border goes on the home, on the bottom of the home, in most cases, around the entire perimeter. Not 1 inch is exposed. So there is no place the scorpion can climb up and get onto the home. No more scorpions permanently. Call Pest Borders, 623-275-0240. Thank you.